7 different websites where you can use Linux for absolutely free online, not have to worry about installing a VM or any of that nonsense. You can use it right on your browser. Let's get into it. The first one is going to be Webminal. It's a great little learner site to practice commands, and if you don't want to install a VM or anything like that, it's great for that. Very beginner friendly, very easy to use. So for the second one, we're going to go with JSLinux. It'll run Linux and other operating systems directly from your browser, so you can get a feel for them and start taking a look at other operating systems you might have contact with or might want to use. At number 3, we're going to go with DistroSea. It's not a great place to work on the command lines, but if you want to test out other Linux distros, feel them out, there are hundreds there. So it's a great place to go check around if you're into Linux. And our fourth one is Replit. It's not that powerful, it's going to have your basic functionalities, but it's great to learn on if you don't have anything else. At number 6, we have the Google Cloud. Now, the Google Cloud is a lot different from Gmail or any of that, but it is still Google. It is Google Web Services. So you're going to have to make an account in there and then go through that. It's a little bit more of a hassle than these other ones. And in number 7, my personal favorite, but it's also the biggest pain to use, that's going to be Amazon Web Services. Now, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, does have a free tier, and there is an expiration date. It's either 6 months to a year. They've changed it since I was last on it, and it's a great place to learn. I highly recommend using AWS or Google Cloud. They're gonna be more of a hassle, but you're gonna learn more stuff. And for all these lists, you know we have to have a bonus. So as a bonus, I'm going to throw in there Killercoda. It is a great place to learn Linux. It is a great place to learn Kubernetes if you haven't started that. Docker, it's amazing for all of this, and it'll walk you through it, and it'll even test you. That's my top 7, plus the little extra that I want to throw in there. So with that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing my flappy bits. So, have a good one. Follow for more.